Got an ICC color profile from your monitor or printer manufacturer and need to install it for accurate colors? These files are essential for color-critical work in photography and design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use these ICC color profiles. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep ICC file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. An ICC file is a standardized color profile that ensures color consistency across various devices like monitors, printers, and scanners. Users, typically graphic designers and photographers, install these files to make sure the colors they see on screen accurately represent the final printed or displayed output. The format is defined by the International Color Consortium, ICC, and contains data that characterizes a color input or output device. It's a binary file with a structured header and tagged data elements that map a device's color space to a profile connection space, PCS, ensuring predictable color translation. There's a proprietary link between the ICC format and Adobe Photoshop by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows cannot interpret configuration semantics, so editing must be performed cautiously. We'll conduct a full system compatibility scan now. Right-click your ICC file and select Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop if it appears. If it fails, select another application. This is a process of elimination. If you cannot access the ICC file, no problem. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, installing on a Windows. Right-click the ICC file and select Install Profile to add it to the system. Open Color Management from Control Panel. Select your device and add the newly installed profile. Set it as the default profile to apply the color characterization for accurate display or print output. Next, installing on macOS. Copy the ICC file to /library color sync profiles for system-wide use, or library/color sync profiles for user-specific installation. Open Color Sync utility to verify the profile loaded correctly. Assign it to devices through displays or printers' preferences for color-managed workflows. Finally, using in Photoshop. In Adobe Photoshop, go to Edit then Color Settings to assign ICC profiles to your working color space. Use Edit then Convert to Profile to transform images between color spaces. Soft-proof print output, using View then Proof setup with the printer's ICC profile loaded. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.